Okay, now let's take a quick look here at our charts. ZeroPro gives traders a really great deal with the advanced charting package. We're going to expand this chart and take a quick look at the different indicators that we can use. So currently on this chart we have volume, and let's just say, for example, we want to change this. Just double click on it, and if I want to change it back to its color to indicate buy and sell volume, we can just click on the indicator itself, go to the chart properties, right? We can change the color. Okay, so again, ZeroPro gives traders all the tools necessary to develop their platform, to make it stand out, to make it exclusive, and to distinguish certain indicators over another. So let's check out the VWAP here. You can see that I have it set up a little different. I changed the color to white, but you can change it to any color that you wish. And then I have it set up as dash, but you can set it up as dash dot. And then you can also change the pen weight. So just double click on the chart window and it's going to bring up your chart properties. These are all the studies I currently have available here. So if I want to add another indicator, just right click, go to indicator. If we want to add a MACD, add the MACD. If you do moving average 1, it's just going to add 1 line. If you do 3, it's going to add 3 lines, and it's going to group them together. So you can see here we have our 3 averages, and then if you want to change any of the properties here on the averages, you can change this. We have the different averages here. We have simple, weighted, exponential, and you can also change the period. So we have our 1, 2, 3. You can see that they're color coordinated. All right, let's take a look and see if there's any other indicators here that we want to use. The platform again gives traders the ability to customize it to their liking. Here we have the RSI. And RSI is a great indicator to show overbought, oversold conditions. All right, let's check out to see if there's anything else here that's useful for traders. You have the Bollinger Bands, and the Bollinger Bands look very nice as well. And again, if you want to change any of the properties, just click on the specific study, double click on it. It's going to bring up the window for you to go to that particular study and then make changes as far as the period, pen style. Also, you can change color, etc. Also, on the platform, you have the ability to draw horizontal lines, ray lines, extended lines. You also have retracement. So let's take a quick look here at a line. See that we can draw a line on the chart. Also, there's a really great feature here for traders that want to follow what trades they're in, and it's going to indicate on the chart with an arrow where your entries and exits are. So if we double click on here on the chart window, currently I have these settings disabled, but if I want to show orders, I can click true. If I want to show in positions shaded, that means that if I have an open position, it's going to remain shaded. If I want to show trades tick size, I have that setting for small, medium, and large. If I want to show trade style, you can use ticks only, ticks and arrows, ticks, arrows, and text. And then we have the opportunity to have grid lines. We can remove grid lines if we wish. We also have the ability to remove the scroll bar. And then another feature here is that bar margins to the right. So if I want to have a margin here, so when I draw trend lines, it's going to give you some a margin here to the right. So it's kind of useful when you want to make changes and look at stocks at in different perspectives here. So you can see here's the indication when I bought KEYS, indicated with an arrow on the left of the candle. And here you can see some sell orders that we've had, indicated by the red arrow. And again, if I still had a position, this area would be gray. Since I don't have a position, now we're back to the normal chart here, indicated in black. Another feature traders have is the ability to not only draw lines, horizontal lines, but retracement levels. So if we want to look at a low to high, for example, here we can see the retracement levels. You can see right here is the 50% retracement level. Again, if we're not interested in using an indicator, we can just simply click on that, delete it, and it's going to delete the indicator. So again, TradeZero gives traders the edge they need to successfully navigate the market with advanced charting features and indicators.